Welcome to Kiddo English Hub educational channel.
Fruits names. Apple, apple,
apple, apple,
banana, banana,
banana, banana,
mango, mango,
mango, mango,
orange, orange,
orange, orange,
grape, grape,
grape, grape,
pineapple, pineapple,
pineapple, pineapple,
papaya, papaya,
papaya, papaya,
watermelon, watermelon,
watermelon, watermelon,
strawberry, strawberry,
strawberry, strawberry,
blueberry, blueberry,
blueberry, blueberry,
raspberry, raspberry,
raspberry, raspberry,
blackberry, blackberry,
blackberry, blackberry,
kiwi, kiwi,
kiwi, kiwi,
cherry, cherry,
cherry, cherry,
peach, peach,
peach, peach,
plum, plum,
plum, plum,
pear, pear,
pear, pear,
pomegranate, pomegranate,
pomegranate, pomegranate,
guava, guava,
guava, guava,
fig, fig,
fig, fig,
lychee, lychee,
lychee, lychee,
dragon fruit, dragon fruit,
dragon fruit, dragon fruit,
passion fruit, passion fruit,
passion fruit, passion fruit,
starfruit carambola, starfruit carambola,
starfruit carambola, starfruit carambola,
avocado, avocado,
avocado, avocado,
coconut, coconut,
coconut, coconut,
lemon, lemon,
lemon, lemon,
lime, lime,
lime, lime,
grapefruit, grapefruit,
grapefruit, grapefruit,
apricot, apricot,
apricot, apricot,
cantaloupe, cantaloupe,
cantaloupe, cantaloupe,
honeydew melon, honeydew melon,
honeydew melon, honeydew melon,
cranberry, cranberry,
cranberry, cranberry,
mulberry, mulberry,
mulberry, mulberry,
gooseberry, gooseberry,
gooseberry, gooseberry,
date, date,
date, date,
jackfruit, jackfruit,
jackfruit, jackfruit,
custard apple, sugar apple, custard apple, sugar apple,
custard apple, sugar apple, custard apple, sugar apple,
tamarind, tamarind,
tamarind, tamarind,
persimmon, persimmon,
persimmon, persimmon,
durian, durian,
durian, durian,
rambutan, rambutan,
rambutan, rambutan,
quince, quince,
quince, quince,
olive, olive,
olive, olive,
acerola, Barbados cherry, acerola, Barbados cherry,
acerola, Barbados cherry, acerola, Barbados cherry,
mangosteen, mangosteen,
mangosteen, mangosteen,
elderberry, elderberry,
elderberry, elderberry,
longan, longan,
longan, longan.
Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, check out the link in the description box and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.